Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance, and I'm going to start by saying apologies for the slight break in videos. I took a week off last weekend just to really enjoy a few family functions, see some friends, catch up with lots of different people. So you didn't get a video last Saturday, but you're getting one today. Today is a combined haul, so I've got some items I picked up from Zara, from Asos, from Miss Took, as well as some new bedding. So if you want to see some of the items that I am buying, wearing to lots of different functions, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with a dress that by the time you guys see this video I will have actually worn it to a wedding. So it's from a brand called Miss Took. Not been paid to show you this dress at all, I just purchased it off their website, but I have bought a similar dress for another wedding, so I really love the style, so I just got it in another colour essentially. It is this really stunning burgundy number. So I'm just doing the zip up so I can show it to you properly. So you won't be able to see it right here, but it's one shoulder and it's got a very statement shoulder over here. So lots of ruffles, sweetheart neckline, cinched in at the waist. We've got like a real little detail on the waist area, so it's like a skirt, so it kind of gives you the illusion of hips a bit, and then it's a pencil dress. So the only difference between this and the same one that I have in like a beige salmon-y kind of colour is this is all in one. So the other one was a skirt and a top, whereas this one basically just sewed it together, which makes life very easy for me. So I got this in a size 8 and it's the Dala dress from their website. I'll have linked it down below for you guys. I'll insert some clips of me trying it on just so you can see it properly in full length, but if you want to see what it photographed like, then I will likely have uploaded a picture on my Instagram, which is at NadreemK, and you can see it in full length and all its glory. So really excited about wearing this. I'm actually filming this on the Monday. By the time you guys see this on Saturday, the wedding will have happened and I'll probably be hungover somewhere. So from Asos, so I've got a birthday party, like a kid's birthday party coming up, and the theme is tracksuit. Now we all know I don't own that many casual clothing, or to that level, so I had to help Asos to see what I could get. So it's like a tracksuit themed birthday party. It's for like a 1-year-old boy's birthday, my cousin's son. So I'm gonna rock this tracksuit. I'll put in a clip of what it looks like on Asos on the model. It's got cream, blue and burgundy. You can tell I love burgundy. And then it's got matching bottoms. I probably have to give these a bit of an iron before, which look like this. I'll try them on for you. But I was thinking about rocking it with this crop top, which I also got from Asos, but I've worn once. So that's the look for that party, and I'll link the 3 items down below. Okay, so this is the full tracksuit look. I've rolled it up here in the waist area just to kind of make it less bunchy around here, but we are really enjoying this casual vibe. I've also paired it with these earrings that I got from Asos as well. I'll link those in the description box below, and I would wear it with like a proper strapless bra, but this is just the one I could find while I was trying on. And then I've kind of just paired it with some like strappy heels. Let's see if you can see. I kind of wish I had like some white clear see-through ones, but it is what it is. I don't know about closed. Open, sleeves rolled up, hair up or down. Maybe we could do like a little half up, half down vibe. Do some bangs down here. I really like this look. I don't normally do the tracksuit thing, but this is definitely my kind of vibe. You can dance. And the ultimate test. And then from Zara, picked up a few little bits. So firstly, these shoes, which I'm extremely excited about. I've had shoes like this before from Zara, but they were not slingbacks. So it's these gorgeous slingbacks with leather pointed toe, but like the mesh on the beige bit. Got those in a size 6. These would just be really nice to wear with like distressed denim, just to like dress up a little bit. You can kind of do smart casual. And they were $25.99. I also picked up this really cute skirt, which was, it's $25.99 here, but I think it was about $5.99 in the sale. I got it in a medium, so it's this little suede number. It's got all my favourite colours, like the tan, black, beige. So this is the suede skirt. I've just paired it with a black polo, and as advised by my sis, some black thigh-high boots. These are from H&M. This is from H&M as well. But I love it. It's very cute. I've left the hair tucked in just to kind of create that very like blogger chic look. This is a very autumn winter ready date night fit we like. So that's what it looks like. That's the back. So that's it like that. This is she. So here it is with like an alternative hair look. So I've kind of done the half up, half down, and then all to one side. I feel like this would be like the perfect hair look for this fit. The other thing I picked up, which I've worn already, and I'll bring it to you, is this off the shoulder dress. I've worn it as a top basically because it's quite short, you'll see in the try on, but it just makes a really nice date night dress, I'd say. So if you're going somewhere cute, you want to like whack a leather jacket over your shoulders, and maybe you do it with some like thigh-high boots, like maybe like black thigh-high boots, this could be a really decent look. So I don't remember how much this was, but if I find it I will link it down below. It was also in the sale, so I don't know if it will still be there. Okay, so this is the one shoulder with a bit of a peep clavicle detail over here. It is extremely, it shows everything, every lump and bump. What you're probably going to want to do is maybe have some support pants in here, or I don't know what they call it, like a girdle, just to really suck you in. You could kind of wear this on a night out, date night, birthday, celebrations, whatever you so choose. Love the colour. I feel like maybe I needed it in a slightly smaller size up here just because it's gaping a little bit. Also, I think this was in the sale. I think this is meant to be attached, so I'll have to kind of sew it back. What do we think of this? Now, this is what it looks like at the back. And I've just paired it with these black strappy sandals. That sexy date night vibe. You can throw a leather jacket over it, hair to one side, maybe a couple strands peeking, and that is also a look. And then you've kind of got like a little biker chic thing going there. Pretty mini, so definitely sexy date night. You're going to like a bar or like a little club or like a friend's birthday do. Really like it. Definitely need some support in this area if you're not completely flat, but I feel like no woman is like a washboard. We all have nice lumps and bumps. I think that's what makes us human. I want to smooth this out so that the dress sits quite nicely. Otherwise, this rib detail will really expose you. So, yeah, the golden dress. And then bedding wise, I got sent this gorgeous bedding set by lovely company. So it's from a brand called Social Famitile, and it is this duvet cover set. It's a king set and it just looks like that. What I'll do in the cutaways is show you what it looks like on my bed, but basically it comes with 2 pillowcases and a duvet. So it comes with 2 very long pillowcases. So I have 4 pillows, so maybe I just pack 2 pillows in each and see. But that could be quite cute. I'm really excited to get that on. I think it will go really nicely with my blue velvet cushions as well. Right, so I thought I would just jump on to give you guys a quick update on the bed sheets from Famitile. So first of all, I'll just give you a feel for the material and the texture. So I've kind of paired them with these cushions that I just already had. But I would just say, as much as the fabric is quite new, they feel pretty soft. I had a really good night's sleep in these yesterday. And the pillowcases they're quite huge. They're quite long. So what I've done is I've sort of folded them in a little bit, and I've put 2 pillows in each one. So that's the kind of benefit of them being so long. So there's that. The other thing I would say is, which I really love about them, I'm kind of giving you my bedtime view, is this. So you know how most normal bed sheets kind of have buttons? They have a zip closure. So I'll just show you how they close up. So you don't have to sort of bother finicking around with, you know, button after button after button. just get them nicely closed, like so. So that's one feature that I particularly love. And then the final thing is the print. It just goes so nicely in my room. So I kind of decorated my room with sort of a dark blue and silver vibe, but actually seeing the gold on these sheets has sort of made me want to change up my accessories. So I'm thinking about getting some more gold tones in here to sort of match up with the different sort of blues that we've got in this. But yeah, I've really enjoyed sleeping in them, and I generally think that for a king size duvet at the price that they're at, you can't do much worse than that. So do click the link in the description box for details on discount codes, etc. But otherwise, I'm going to get right back in bed and enjoy my sleep. And that's everything. So all items will be linked down below, and of course I will have little snapshots of everything, particular that red dress, on my Instagram. So if you want to check that out, please do. I'm putting together a vlog of lots of different bits and pieces that I've been doing over the past few weeks, so look out for that. It's in edit stage at the moment, but I wanted to add in the wedding that I was at yesterday, your time, into that, as well as just little things from the weekend, so you might not see that until next week. Nothing more to say other than come check me out on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and I will see you in my next video, which will very likely be either tomorrow or next week. Take care guys, bye!